Absolutely stunning up here, eh? Check out the mountains. Well, that's a hill, that one, but...
Wait till you see the view from the lake, it's absolute.
Aye. Get that. There must be a charity run that's on today, eh?
I think so. Watch this.
Don't know, just went over it.
There's somebody's number plate.
There wasn't any nails in it. Tell you, Alex, this V Strom is just so comfortable. It's a lovely bike.
Is it not Chris? I wouldn't want tensions even buy it new.
No. Stick with what you've got.
I'm happy with it.
Yep. Bike doesn't owe you anything. It's ultra reliable. And it's a good bike. So why change it?
And I've got tensions off.
I'm like that with the Honda, eh? I'll keep that for years. Well, I've already had it, what, 3 years? Just over 3 years?
3 years, aye.
Brilliant bike.
Just the right size to go to work with.
Oh, perfect.
It was up here, right?
Aye. Bit blowy, eh?
Aye. You're higher up than you think.
Oh, aye, aye.
We'll park where we can get easy access to the bike, you got it, eh?
Aye.
Right here, eh?
Well, miss my bandit. This is stunning, eh? Look at it. Absolutely brilliant.
Cracking, eh?
Aye. Aye, this is a cracking wee viewpoint.
Stay.
Aye.
Right, showing clear.
Clear. Hard to believe this is all on our doorstep, eh?
Right. When was the last time you were up here?
Oh, I've not been up here for a good few years anyway. I think Willie and I come up here, eh, but that was a few years ago. I think he had the GS as well then, the 40th anniversary one. That was a cracking bike. This is just stunning, eh? I like the way the lights hitting the hills.
It's excellent, eh? shows you how dry it's been, because that waterfall back there used to be fucking 100 miles an hour.
Yeah.
Come up here in the winter, we'll come up here in the winter in the car.
Aye.
Right? And it's, the transformation between the two is unbelievable.
Yeah.
That there on the left hand side, that's
Aye.
massive in the winter.
That waterfall's gone as well. Oh, this will play right into the hands of the environmentalists. See, global warming. There we go. There is the Beast's house, Jimmy Savile.
Yep. This guy started working it. Yes.
The Beast. Well, that has been well gutted, eh?
Why? I think the developer's taking a lot of it out of the way.
Yeah.
That'll cause mayhem when he starts to build that.
I know.
She's stunning, isn't it?
Beautiful.
That's it. If we go to about turn and come back this week, because I've never done it the other way.
Aye?
It's different views, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
I'm into that. Break.
What are we stopped for?
Somebody went to pull in the lay-by lately. Look at that, she's gorgeous.
Aye. Absolutely beautiful, eh?
And right up that valley there, that's where the water comes in the winter.
Mm-hmm.
It's another totally different view. Do you want to stop and get some pulleys?
Aye. Aye, pull in.
Tarmac. Don't know if we've got a parts for this, but
Find one.
you got one?
No, we'll find one. Right here,
In the
Alex.
corner.
Aye.
In the corner.
In the corner.
I'll go to the right, you go to the left. Yeah?
Right. I was going to
You
reverse
go
him.
to reverse it?
Aye.
Aye, I agree with that.
What a view, eh?
I know.
Aye, what a place, eh?
Okay.
All on our doorstep. Right, let's go.
This is awesome.
Yes, it is. Beautiful.
Well, the clouds definitely went the right way.
Aye. 25 degrees.
This is stunning.
Great, eh?
Look at the water coming off the hills.
Mm-hmm.
License there.
Mm-hmm.
Not for a driving license.
Is your mic in the right spot?
Probably not. I'll just noise it. But I'm better.
Aye.
It's gorgeous, eh?
Mm-hmm. It's nice. This is why I hate the city. Absolutely detest it.
Stunning, eh?
Beautiful. Nice wee church here as well on the left. Look at the graves. Look at that. It's just stunning, eh? Look at that, look at that view to the left.
Look at beautifully.
Yeah,
There's two currents on that.
two currents.
Right, there's two currents. There's a current that runs one way, which is about 8 feet deep, and there's a current underneath, but it takes you the opposite way, and it runs about 25 miles an hour.
Right. I definitely think I made the right choice getting the V Strom,
Absolutely. Not just for the mile per gallon, everything.
Yeah. Comfort.
It's not slow either.
No, it can move when it has to. Look at that view, Bloody hell. Cracking roads. I could happily stay in that house there. Look at the view.
Right.